Hello, everyone. This is Miss Ashley of Balance Her Hustle, and I hope that you all are having a great day. I want to come in, I want to chime in and give you guys some helpful balance tips that help you achieve a healthier work life balance. I know that some of you are working from home and some of you are working in the office, but it doesn't matter. I believe that these tips are practical no matter where you're working at. So, tip number one is to make sure that you set aside blocks of time that is dedicated for work, or if it's dedicated for working out, or if it's dedicated for time with your family, but set aside blocks of time. I think that is so important to do so, especially if you're working from home. I think oftentimes people think because you are present and they can see you, you're not away at the office, that they think that you're still available. So it's important to let not only your family and your friends know that these are your set work hours, although you might be in the room next door or in your office inside your home, yet you still are not available. I think that'll help you be more effective, and I think that'll help you kind of create a boundary for what your work schedule is. Another way of doing this and communicating this information with those around you is putting like a note in your signature line of your emails. So when you send out your correspondence to those who will receive them, they'll kind of have an idea that you are unavailable during these particular hours and that you may not be able to touch base with them outside of these particular hours, anything unrelated to the purpose of anything that's unrelated to the time that you have blocked out for work or for family or whatever it might be. So just keep that in mind. I think an email, note in your email signature box sent out to different correspondents. They'll have that reference to know that you are dedicated to work during particular hours